Good morning, everyone. We're live at 8:30 a.m. and we are battling for a very nice Hong Kong Luke Skywalker. I'm going to copy my list of 10 spots, which are right there, and take them over to random to find our winner. I'm going to back this up. There we go. 10 spots. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least a 5 to play. As you know, we got a tenner. So we're good for action. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Tyler takes round 1. Josh 2, followed by Tyler. Luke round 3 with number 7. Jimmy 4. Jimmy 5. Paul takes round 6 with number 6. Josh takes round 7. Jimmy round 8 again with number 9. Jason in the top spot for our next to last round, round 9 with number 1, bringing us to the all-important final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Jimmy. Congratulations, Jimmy, in at number 9. Here's our verification code. We'll make it official. IINFIC. Jimmy Bones is our winner in at number 9. There's the rest of our results. I'm done. Just as the clock turns to 8:32 a.m. There it is. One last time. Here's our winner, Jimmy, in at number 9. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks a lot.